माइक म्यूट कर अपना। Assalamualaikum. My name is Sadia Education Wali and I'm a student at Rahman Karangi campus. Currently, I am doing teacher training boot camp 1 and it has been 3 weeks since I joined here. Today, I'm very excited because we have Muniba with us and I will be conducting her interview. Today, we are going to discuss a very important, interesting topic. Will AI replace teacher or redefine them? So, Muniba, please give me a short introduction. muniba आप म्यूट हो, आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही। प्लीज़ अगेन।
Thank you for inviting me. My name is Muniba Khan, also known as Muniba Craftswali. I am a student of the Rihan AI Teacher Training Bootcamp. I am passionate about learning, modern teaching, education, and creativity. I believe AI is a powerful tool that can improve education, but teachers will always remain the heart of learning because they inspire, guide, and support students in ways machines never can.
Muniba, can you please tell me what is artificial intelligence in simple words? Muniba, please can you tell me what is artificial intelligence in simple words?
Artificial intelligence or AI is a smart technology that helps computers learn, think, and perform tasks like humans. It can solve problems, answer questions, and support learning.
Okay, Muniba, how is AI being used in education today?
AI is being used in online classes, educational apps, virtual tutors, and automated gradient and smart learning platforms that help students study more effectively.
Do you think AI can completely replace teachers?
No, I believe AI can support teachers but cannot fully replace them because students need human understanding, encouragement, and emotional connection.
Why are teachers still important in classrooms?
Teachers not only teach lessons but also build confidence, motivate students, and guide them towards success in life.
Can AI understand students' emotions?
AI can delete certain behaviors or expressions, but it cannot really feel or understand emotions like a human teacher can.
What is personalized learning?
Personalized learning means teaching students according to their learning speed, interests, and strengths and needs.
How does AI help struggling students?
AI provides extra support, practice, exercise, and step-by-step explanations that help weak students learn better.
Monica, what do you think? Can AI save teachers' time?
Yes, AI can reduce teachers' workload by handling tasks like gradient, attendance, and preparing study materials.
Monica, what are smart classroom?
Smart classrooms use technology like digital boards, AI tools, video, and interactive systems to improve learning.
Can AI make learning more interesting?
Yes, AI makes learning fun and engaging through games, animations, quiz, and interactive activities.
Muniba, can you please tell me what are the disadvantages of AI in education?
Yes, of course, too much depends on technology may reduce creativity, communication skills, and face-to-face interaction among the students.
Thank you, Muniba. Can you please explain can AI make student lazy?
If students misuse AI, it can make them dependent, but with proper guidance, AI can become a powerful learning assistant.
Can AI improve teaching methods?
Yes, AI helps teachers understand students' performance and improve their teaching strategies.
Is online learning better because of AI?
AI has made online learning easier, smarter, and more flexible for students around the world.
Can AI check homework and exams?
Yes, AI can quickly evaluate assessments and provide instant feedback to students.
What skills should teachers learn in the AI era?
Teachers should learn digital skills, communication skills, and how to use technology effectively in classrooms.
Muniba, what about thinking about AI teach creativity?
AI can provide ideas and tools, but true creativity and inspiration come from human experience and imagination.
What is the biggest fear about AI in education?
Many people fear that AI could reduce teaching jobs and discourage human interaction in education.
How can how can teacher use AI positively?
Yes, AI tools like speech, teachers can use AI for lessons, planning, student assignments, and creativity interactive learning experience.
Can AI help students with disabilities?
Yes, AI tools like speech recognition and learning support applications can help students learn more comfortably.
Nika, what you thinking about future classroom become fully digital?
Future classrooms may become more digital, but teachers will still remain essential for guidance and support.
Why can't AI replace human connections?
Students need kindness, motivation, emotional support, and understanding which only humans can geniusly provide.
Can AI reduce the cost of education?
Yes, AI can provide affordable learning resources and reduce educational experience through online systems.
What do you think, Nika? What role will teacher play in the future?
Of course, teachers will become mentors, leaders, motivators, and guiders who help students grow personally and academically.
Can AI
academically.
can AI improve exam preparation?
Yes, AI can create personalized study plans, practice tests, and smart revision methods for students.
What is the difference between AI teaching and human teaching?
Provides information. AI provides information quickly, but human teachers provide wisdom, inspiration, and emotional understanding.
Okay, then can AI develop critical thinking skills?
AI can support learning, but teachers are more effective in developing deep thinking and problem solving skills.
How should school balance AI and traditional teaching?
Schools should combine modern technology with human teaching to create a balanced and effective learning environment.
What do you think AI is safe for student?
AI can be safe if schools use proper privacy rules and teach students responsible technology use.
Can AI guide students in choosing careers?
Yes, AI can analyze students' interests and abilities to suggest suitable career options.
What challenges do teachers face with AI?
Teachers may struggle with learning new technologies and adapting to rapid digital challenges.
How can students use AI responsibly?
The students should use AI for learning creativity and important instead of depending on it for shortcuts or cheat.
Muniba, what is your personal opinion about AI in education?
I believe AI is a valuable tool that can improve education, but teachers will always remain important for building character and confidence.
So will AI replace teacher or redefine them?
AI will redefine teachers, not replace them. Technology can support education, but teachers will always lead and inspire students.
Muniba, what is your final message for teachers and students?
Do not fear technology, learn if use it wisely and grow with it. AI can make education smarter, but teachers and students together make education meaningful and successful.
Thank you so much, Muniba, for sharing your valuable thoughts with us today. This discussion clearly shows that the AI is transforming education, but teachers will always remain important in shaping student futures. Thank you again. Thank you everyone for listening and have a wonderful day. Allah Hafiz.
Love is